Welcome to the Mexican American Cultural Center. Today we will show you how to make sugar skulls and paper flowers.
To make the sugar skulls, you start with 1 cup of sugar. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of meringue powder and mix it together. The meringue is really what makes it stick. Then add 1 teaspoon of water, mix that in, and you might need a little bit more water. You want the mixture to feel kind of like wet sand. Then press it into your sugar skull mold, making sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Then scrape off the back with a butter knife or a piece of cardboard, and then flip it onto the cardboard and gently remove the mold. You did it! Now you're going to want to decorate your skull. So take your puff paint and test it out on a piece of paper first. Practice doing small lines or big lines. You can add as much or as little decoration as you want. Remember, the skulls are for decorating, not eating once it has paint on it. And you can go ahead and press in your pom-poms, sequins. They'll all stick to the puff paint. So give your sugar skull some personality. If you want to add something heavier like a feather, go ahead and put a blob of puff paint. You can place your sugar skull on your home altar or give it to someone you love. Let's learn how to make a paper flower. So you're going to take your tissue paper and take your pipe cleaner and keep it all stacked together. And now start folding like an accordion from the small end. Fold the stack of tissue paper back and forth, back and forth. And then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around the middle to get your stem. And when you do this, keep it nice and snug, give it a good twist so everything stays together. Now you have your unbloomed flower. So the trick here is to open up the petals, turn it to the side, and start separating out those layers of tissue paper. And remember, this part takes a little time and patience. But the more time and care you take to separate every layer, it'll look like a real marigold flower. Now you're done. Your flower is ready to decorate the altar. Thanks for joining the Mexican American Cultural Center for Dia de los Muertos.